Hey everyone, I'm Tasha. You are watching Customized Close-Up. So today I'm going to be showing you a deep dive look into some of the products that all members can choose for the 2020 FabFitFun Spring Box. Now, all members can choose, but select members can choose first. Make sure that you are signing up right up here and upgrade if you want to get first dibs. We have some amazing items in this category, and FabFitFun diehards may recognize a few of them. We loved them so much we wanted everyone to have a chance to snag them. Select members are going to be able to customize from February 2nd to February 5th, and all members are going to be able to choose on February 15th through 18th. Before we get into this, make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on your post notifications so that you never miss out on any spoilers. All right, so first up, we have the CALPAK set of 3 packing cubes, and these babies are packing. Guess who's pack again. So we've got 2 different designs, both equally cute. I don't know how you'll choose, but this one is Tutti Frutti, and then we have Sorbet on this side. Nice spring vibes going on here. Totally up to you, you get to choose. But I'm gonna show you all the features of them. So they are nice and durable. They come in a set of 3. In case you didn't know, packing cubes are life-changing. I believe everybody should have a set of packing cubes. It's like having dresser drawers for your suitcase. What's easier, having a shelf full of just like a bunch of clothes, or having dresser drawers where you know where each thing is? That's the value of packing cubes here. So one of the first things that you're gonna be looking for when you're picking some packing cubes is you want ones that are gonna have a mesh top. Not only is that gonna be able to let your clothes kind of breathe and air out a little bit, but you're also gonna be able to look through and see what's in each packing cube. So you can kind of like pick what you wanna put in each one. So in this one, I might put like, you know, undergarments, like bras, socks. And in the medium one, I might put like my tops and maybe like some skirts. And then whatever your larger items are gonna go into this bigger one here. And what I love is that on the back here, we have a zipped compartment, and that's where I would put all of my dirty laundry. When you're traveling and you don't have access to a washer and dryer, and you've got to keep, you know, your dirty items with you, you don't want them like smelling up the rest of your clothes. So you're gonna go ahead and you can put it in this compartment right here. So when you're traveling with your significant other, one of the best things to do is actually use these to separate out your clothes. My boyfriend and I love splitting these up. I'm gonna pack all of his clothes right Liam Hemsworth right here, and then I'm gonna pack all of my clothes in this one, Tasha Hemsworth. Sorry, my husband, Liam. What I would do with these is actually roll your clothes. I know some people might be against rolling, but I'm promising you, especially with packing cubes, it's way easier to see all of your items, and you're not gonna have to like dig underneath and pull all of the clothes out just to find what you're looking for. If you just roll them, it'll be way easier to find them. They also have handles right on the top. So if you're packing in like a backpack, if you're backpacking across Europe, you can easily dig into your backpack and pull out the packing cube that you want. Next up, for all of you skincare lovers out there, we have the Murad Rapid Collagen Infusion. It's a fast-acting topical treatment that actually has a filler-like effect. So if you're not into needles, this is gonna give you a similar effect. It's gonna plump your skin, make you nice and radiant, and you never even have to step foot into a doctor's office or anything like that. This is formulated with collagen amino acids that are gonna smooth and revolumize the skin. And it also has winged kelp, which is going to restore youthful firmness, which I think we all want. Dr. Murad knows what he's doing for sure. Let's see what this formula is like. Feels really, really nice. It's a kind of a mix between a lotion and a gel texture. You can use it in the morning and at night, and I would take it all the way from your face and all the way down your neck and décolletage. It's also cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfate-free, phthalate-free, all the free, except it's not free. But you can get it in the FabFitFun Spring Box. All right, moving on, next up we have the Shoshanna Umbrella. Here's the problem. We're inside right now, and you guys are asking me to open an umbrella inside, and I can't do that. What if I then have terrible luck? Isn't it supposed to be 7 years bad luck if you open an umbrella inside? I cannot afford the bad luck right now. Thank you. First of all, this is so cute. Look at this. This adorable floral print here. I am obsessed. And look at these ruffles. Okay, here's what I love about this is that it's got this super cute floral pattern here and the ruffles on the edge I am obsessed with, and here's why. So this is not just for rainy days, but also for super sunny days. The ruffles give it a little bit of a parasol effect. We've all seen Mary Poppins. We've seen those ladies with the super fair skin get my Julie Andrews moment. This is really, really big too, so you can share it easily with a friend right here. And it has this adorable detailing right here. It says, "Don't rain on my parade." I love that. So the bright colors are really gonna pick up your mood. Even on those rainy, maybe dreary days, you're gonna have your total singing in the rain moment. Wait, I need the music. But do I want Singing in the Rain or do I want Rihanna Umbrella?
I'm singing in the rain, just sing.
We have a sleeve to keep it in good condition. So this baby's gonna last you a long, long time. Next up, we have the Tarte Rainforest of the Sea Drink of H2O Hydrating Boost Moisturizer. I feel like Jessica Simpson, like Rainforest of the Sea, like is this the rainforest or is this the sea? What are we talking about? I'm not sure. So this is a daily gel moisturizer which is formulated to soothe and refresh dry skin. It's really just gonna be a drink of water for your skin. I personally love a gel moisturizer, and this one has electrolytes that actually seal moisture into the skin. Ooh, and it feels nice and smooth on the skin, kind of like cold and refreshing. It's by Tarte, so you know it's made with all of the good stuff. It is vegan, cruelty-free, of course. If you've been asking the universe to bring you a tall drink of water, this one's actually a little bit of a short drink of water, but we are delivering. H2Os before bros. Am I right, ladies? All right, moving along to our last product in this category, we have the Tarte Tarteist Pro Glow Highlight and Contour Palette. And ooh, baby, let me tell you, this has everything you need to create a gorgeous sculpted look. I believe it was my man, Billy Shakespeare, who said, "Rose gold is pink. The FabFitFun team is smart. And that's why we gave you a palette by Tarte." So the colors that we have here are Lit, Strobe, Fire, Stunner, Shade, and Sculpt. We've got every tone that you need here, no matter what your skin tone is. We've got some shimmers, we've got a matte right here, and then we have a powder contour and a cream contour. So that's really gonna help you chisel. Tarte is a very trusted brand in the cosmetics industry. It's also female founded. What I love about this is that it has the mirrors on the side so you can just do your makeup on the go wherever you're going. And it also has these magnetic closures. Honestly, this is the highlight of my day right now. The Kardashians basically invented contour, but Tarte perfected it, okay? Next up, we have the 111 Skin Rose Gold Radiance Booster. All right, this is for my ladies who are bougie on a budget, okay? This actually has gold inside of it. Like, I'm trying to spend all my money on my skincare. The retail value on this product alone is $135. So to use this, you're just gonna shake it well, and then you can either drop some right onto your skin, or you can drop 1 to 2 drops into your moisturizer and then use it all over for that glow that we know that you all love. You can wear it on its own if you're going for a more natural look, or you can use it as a primer before your makeup to have a more dewy, radiant look. When you put this on, your face is going to be very expensive. All right, you guys, so that's everything in this customization category. There are so many amazing options here. I seriously don't know how you guys are gonna choose. Make sure that you're commenting below and telling me what is catching your eye here. And if you wanna learn more about these products, there's more videos right up here in the corner. You can click and learn more right up there. But for real, you guys, you do not wanna miss out on the spring box. It's incredible. There are so many amazing items that you get to choose from. You get to pick your favorites, and they're full size. Like, thank you so much for watching. Make sure that you comment below. Let me know what you're picking. Oh my God, hang on, sorry. Hi, Liam, I'm filming right now. Wait, we're going to Greece? Right now? Okay, guys, I gotta go. I'll see you next season. Albert, I'm coming, baby.